Do you know why most traders fail? Now, even though I trade in a very crazy market, I have found a way that I can actually not only survive, but thrive in this market. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it. Now, I know what you're thinking. You've probably seen a lot of gurus out there saying, I'm going to make you a millionaire in 5 easy steps. But trust me, it's not that simple. So stick around and let's get started. You know, when I first started trading, I was like, wow, this is so easy. Why did it take me so long to start trading? But then I realized something. I said, wait a minute. Why do 90% of traders actually lose money? So I started to look into it, and I found out there are 4 major reasons why most traders actually fail. First reason is they don't have a good teacher, and so they kind of learn the way that most people learn, which is through trial and error. So they just keep making the same mistakes over and over again. The second reason is they don't develop a strategy. They don't really know what they're doing. They don't have a plan. And so every time they get in a trade, it's just a total disaster. The third reason is they don't manage their risk. So basically, they're risking too much money on a trade. And if the trade goes against them, they're wiped out. And the fourth reason is they don't control their emotions. So they get in a trade, and then all of a sudden their emotions get the best of them, and they end up losing the trade. So after I learned these 4 things, I was like, how can I actually be successful? Because at the end of the day, I don't want to be like most traders. I want to be above average. I want to be successful. Well, I figured out that if I could just do these 4 things, I would be successful. Number 1, I need to have a teacher. I need to have a mentor. No, 2, I need to develop a strategy. I need to know exactly what I'm doing. Number 3, I need to manage my risk. I need to make sure that I'm not risking too much money. And number 4, I need to control my emotions. I need to make sure that I'm not letting my emotions control me. So if you want to be a successful trader, you need to make sure that you do these 4 things. Now, I know it sounds simple, but trust me, it's not that easy. But if you can do these 4 things, you will be on your way to becoming a successful trader. Now, I want you to leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see some of my other videos on trading strategies and trading tips, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.